Welkom by Unite 360 2018 Drakensberg staptoer. Hierso is 'n klein oorsmaakie van die video wat jy gaan kyk. Stop, okay. So, hy's 'n klein oorsmaakie, maar hierso is 'n regte video.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go.
Is julle loop vinnig gesien?
Hoekom kry ek uit?
Want ek het geswem en nou mors ek as.
Ja, ons braai Unite vandag vir Unite hongerstappers wat vandag ver gestap het. Ek dink dit was 18 of 19 km.
Nou.
Hallo. We can run. We can. Kom jou.
Ek het so lekker geslaap.
I'll run into your arms if you call me. Call me please, call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection? Come back to me, back to me. How could I let